Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on a comprehensive discussion on the utilization of on-page SEO techniques to enhance the performance of your business website in search engine results. Throughout this session, we will navigate through the intricate process, breaking it down into a series of manageable steps. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding of what optimizing your website for search engines truly entails. Essentially, this optimization endeavor revolves around making your website more discoverable to internet users when they initiate searches, particularly on widely used search engines such as Google. Within this context, there are two overarching facets that demand careful consideration. Firstly, ensuring that your website content is precisely aligned with the subjects or themes that are pertinent to your business. And secondly, cultivating an online presence that is deemed reliable and influential by the algorithms governing search engines. For today's discussion, our primary focus will be on the former aspect, crafting a website that revolves around the right themes and topics. Let's delve into the intricacies of the steps you can take to achieve this. The first element of importance is your page title, a digital equivalent to a book's title. It should not only accurately represent your web page content, but also be intriguing enough to capture the attention of users when they encounter it in search results. Moving forward, there is the matter of meta descriptions, short summaries that provide a glimpse into your page subject matter. While they may not directly influence your website search result ranking, they can significantly impact the likelihood of user clicking through to your website. Furthermore, we have header tags designated as H1, H2, and H3. These formatting elements are akin to highlighting or bolding important sections in a book, making it easier for both users and search engines to identify key headings and titles. The URL or web address of your website is another critical factor. It is advisable to incorporate relevant keywords within the URL, offering a clear and concise representation of your page content. However, it is essential to strike a balance and avoid cramming too many words into your web addresses. Images undoubtedly add visual appeal to your website. However, search engines lack the ability to interpret images in the same way humans do. To bridge this gap, it is imperative to provide alt text, a brief but descriptive snippet for each image, enabling search engines to comprehend the visual content on your site. Internal links serve as navigational signposts within your website's vast landscape. They play a vital role in guiding both human visitors and search engine crawlers through your website's various sections and connecting related pages seamlessly. Keywords often offered to us the foundation of SEO are like the keywords in a code that unlock your page relevance to search engines. However, the art lies in using these keywords naturally and seamlessly within your content, ensuring they fit organically into the narrative. Last but certainly not least, we come to sitemaps. Akin to the architectural blueprint of your website, these structured maps make it easier for users and search engines to locate and navigate all the pages within your site, thus enhancing the overall user experience. Incorporating these strategies into your website's design and content will significantly augment its visibility in search engine results, ultimately expanding your online reach and making your website more accessible to a broader audience. We appreciate your attentive presence today. It is important to remember that SEO is an ongoing journey, and continuous learning and adaptation are essential to mastering this ever-evolving field. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.